Hey guys, how you doing today? So we are going to move on to the surface area of pyramids. So the last two classes we did the surface area of a prism, where you had the two bases were the same, they're connected by rectangles, and then where each side was connected by a rectangle. And then we went to cylinders, which was basically a prism that had an infinite number of sides. So it was the two bases that were circular, and then they were connected by one rectangle. Now today we're going to move on to a pyramid. Now a pyramid's a little bit different. A pyramid has a base, and then each lateral side is connected with triangles. So we're going to have to talk about real quick what is a regular pyramid. A regular pyramid is a polygon that has congruent sides and congruent angles. Okay, so an equilateral triangle is a regular polygon. A square is a regular polygon. And then these shapes are the regular polygons of that type. So there's a regular hexagon, a regular pentagon, because we know like a home plate is a pentagon. It's not a regular pentagon. Okay, octagon. This is a dodecagon, and this is an icosagon. 20 sides, which is kind of fun. Okay, so in order for us to find the surface area of a pyramid, we need to understand that concept. So first we need to know that their base isn't of itself it's going to be the regular polygon itself, and then each lateral face, like we had said, are going to be triangles. Now, each one of these triangles is congruent. Okay, so they're I guess they're all isosceles, but that part really doesn't matter. So it depends on. So there's two parts of it. So what you need to know is what is the slant height in order to find it. So the slant height is basically it's the height of the triangle. The reason why we call it the slant height is because that's different than the height of the pyramid top. So it's kind of like, let's say you're leaning something up against a wall, right? The top of it is not going to be the length of the piece, right? It's going to be wherever it's leaning against. Okay. So now let's draw the net of our pyramid. So again, it's very basic. It's really not overly complicated. This is the most common way that we tend to draw it. So you have the base, and the base obviously is the regular polygon, whatever it happens to be. And then we have the congruent triangles coming off of it. Now, the number of triangles will change with the different kinds of pyramids that you have. Okay, the most common that we use is the square pyramid, where you have a square base. So you're going to have 4 triangles coming off of it. But there are you can have a pyramid with anything. Okay, with any number, any number of sides. We'll go over a little bit more of that another point. So basically, the surface area is going to be the area of the base plus the area of the lateral surfaces, or the lateral faces. So let's do it with this one. It's a square pyramid. If we were to draw the net, we have a 5 by 5 base. The slant height of the triangle is 8 inches. So we're going to come up with the area of the base first. Super easy. 5 times 5, 25. Now the area of the triangle is 1/2 base times height. So 1/2 of the base is 5 and the height is 8. So that's 4 times 5 is 20. Okay, and we have the area of the base, which is 25. And then we have 4 of those lateral faces. So that comes out to be a total sum of 105 square inches. Now, the square pyramids are pretty nice to deal with. When you get to triangular pyramids, it's a little bit more complicated. It's not awful, but you're going to notice there are 2 heights involved, because in order for us to calculate the area of a triangle, we need to have the height along with the base. So here we have the height of the base, and this is the slant height. So we have 2 different heights to deal with. Okay? So if you were to look at the net, it would look like this. So the height of the base is 8.7 meters and the length is 10. Now the lateral faces, the base is 10, because remember the base is always in congruent polygon, so 10, 10, 10, and the height is 14. So the area of the base, 1/2, 10 times 8.7 is 43.5. This one's going to be 1/2, 10 times 14, which is 70. Now when we add them up, we only have 3 triangles instead of 4 for the lateral faces, so we only add 3 of them. That comes out to be 253.5 square meters. Very nice. Okay. Now let's apply this to a little bit of a real life situation. Roofers do this. They come to put a new roof on. They got to find the surface area of the roof because they need to know how much shingles that they need to buy. So in this case, we have It is a pyramid. Now, we only need to worry about the lateral faces because you're only going to put shingles onto the lateral faces. So the roof is shaped like a square pyramid. One bundle of shingles covers 25 square feet. How many bundles should you buy to cover the roof? So we have a length of 18, a base of 18 and a slant height of 15. So 1/2, 18 times 15 is 135. Well, you have 4 of them. Multiply that by 5, it comes out to be 540 square feet. Each bundle covers 25 square feet, so we got to take that, divide it by 25, and it comes out to be 21.6. So you need to buy 22 bundles of shingles and hope that there's no problems. Okay. So good luck. If you need any help, please reach out to me. I'll have a chat function open in GoGuardian. Good luck. Bye.